Umpilo even noma ngifike amakhumalo ezantsi uhlala amakhumalo ngithi if even noma ngifika amakhumalo ezantsi Mpilo nhle hawu hello Mpilo unjani unjani phela ama-earphone wow Mpilo ama-earphone ngikhona okay Mpilo nhle hawu abo akenzi nje njengama-siblings ukuthi sibhonde nje yes kade sagcina Umpilo ohlala eThekwini uyafunda mina ngihlala eMzumba but akaze nje ukuthi sibhonde sikhulume so ingangithi Umpilo it's a fake.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Guys, his name Seleko is trending today on TikTok and Facebook as she went to this YouTube podcast where she basically exposes the whole of them Seleko clan for looking down on her and actually mistreating her, you guys. Now nothing on the podcast was off limits, you guys, as she exposes her father's wives, her father, and also her relationship with her siblings, you guys. Now she exposes her half-sister Umpilo for being cold towards her whenever she would visit Umakhumalo's house by saying that she would put on headsets in an attempt to ignore her, you guys. And people in the comment section were saying that indeed Mpilo does look down on Usne and that it is obvious from the pictures and the videos on Izingani's Tembu and also on Uthandani's Tembu that she dismisses Usne over everything and doesn't like her at all, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in my next video. Bye.